Hello friend, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kestri. In this tutorial, we will learn about file handling in R. R gives us flexibility to read data from files stored outside the R environment. R can read and write into various file formats like Excel, XML, TXT, CSV, and so on. We can read a file of our choice which is stored anywhere outside the R environment. We can do this using read.delim function. First, create a txt file. See, I have already created it. See, this is my txt file with header introduction to R. Now write R is equals to read dot delim and write here file dot choose. Write here header is equals to true. See, in txt file we have header introduction to R. To print header in output, do header is equals to true. So I write here header is equals to true. Now run it. Choose your file. Here open it. See, the output is our txt file and it has also header. See, this is our header. And then paragraph number 1 followed by paragraph number 2 and 3. Now, if you don't want to print header and treat header as a paragraph in output, then do header is equals to false. Do here. Now run it. See, choose your file. Yes. See, the output is our txt file with 4 paragraphs 1, 2, 3, 4. Here no header present because header of the file is also treated as a paragraph. Now clear it. Now move to read a CSV file. CSV means comma separated value. To make a CSV file, open your Excel. Fill here some records. Now save it using extension .csv. See, I have already saved it with .csv extension. Now see how we can read CSV file in R. First write getwd. Getwd means get working directory. This function returns a location where we have to keep our CSV file. Run it. See, this is the location where we have to keep our CSV file. Now move your CSV file to this location. You can also change or set working directory of your choice using setwd. Setwd means set working directory. By using this, we can also change our working directory. Now move your CSV file to this location. Clear it. Write A is equals to read dot csv. Now write here your file name record dot csv. Write here header is equals to true, and because it is comma separated value, so write here shape is equals to comma. Okay, now run it. See, here we got our record of file as output. Now see, If you want to check the type of the file, then write here class and pass a here. See, it will give us data.frame. See, the output is data.frame because we already know that data.frame is used to store record. Now we can also read this CSV file using read.dlim function. See, a is equals to read.dlim, right here file dot choose and right here header is equals to true. Now run it. Choose your CSV file here, open it. See, by using dlim function we can also read our CSV file. Okay, in this session we learn how to read a file. In next session we will see some operation on this file. Thank you.